You may not believe me, but this vehicle is fitted with a really good set of high-powered spotlights. I know. They're behind the grille. Let's find out whether you should run these, what it's all about, and how they could suit you and your application, especially if you don't want to run a bull bar. So we've fitted a behind grille integration kit to the Ranger, and basically what it is a set of light bars that are fitted in behind the grille, two mounting brackets, and it's all secure, and it's a really nice, neat install. And later in the video we're going to take the vehicle out on the roads and show you what it's like to drive by. Now, in the interests of disclosure, yes, I've been paid to create this content, but I can tell you what, this is exactly what I believe and what I think. They haven't told me what I have to say, and I'm just not that type of bloke. So if you don't believe that, that's fine, but that's the truth of the matter. I just want to give you information to help you make a good buying decision so you end up with a product that you're happy with. But why would you consider fitting this type of installation to your four-wheel drive, or any vehicle for that matter that you can get a kit for it? Well, primarily you're going to consider it because you don't want to run a bull bar. There's a number of reasons for that. It could be because you don't want to have the extra weight of a bull bar on the front end of your vehicle. You don't need a winch, you don't like the look of them. It could be any number of reasons. It could even be you just can't afford one. But you could be in a situation where you need good lights. You live out in the country, you live a bit out of town, and you find you're regularly driving on roads where you do need better than standard headlights for your vehicle. Well, a behind grille kit could be exactly what you're looking for. Now, Ultravision Lighting do a range of behind grille integration kits, and they're always adding new kits to their range. So it's well worth checking it out if this is of interest to you. But that's not the point I'm wanting to make here. These are a kit that if you're somewhat handy with tools, you could probably do the installation at home. But this integration kit took me and a mate about an hour and a half, and we were filming, and it was really easy. The instructions were easy to follow. A common consideration for people is fitting a behind grille integration kit going to affect the cooling of the engine? Because your radiators are there, your air conditioning condenser is there, and you don't want to block the airflow getting to those. Well, the simple answer is no, these aren't going to affect that. I am a qualified motor mechanic, so I've got a certain level of expertise to offer this to you. The amount of airflow that these lights are interrupting is relatively minimal, and the modern engine and cooling system is well and truly designed to have extra capacity, extra cooling capacity, so these lights aren't going to affect that. But another consideration, if you're still not really sure about it and have your concerns, is imagine if we fitted a bull bar to this vehicle, and we fitted a set of driving lights, and we fitted a winch. We're going to be interrupting the airflow to the radiator a lot more if we did that sort of install, and yet vehicles with that sort of setup are running just fine. So by fitting two small light bars in the grille like we have, you're not going to have any overheating issues. So at the end of the day, this allows you to have a good quality light, allowing you to see at night, but you don't have to have a bull bar to mount them on because they're mounted in the back there. Let's take this for a drive now and have a look at what the lights look like out there on the road, so you get a good sense of what it would be like to drive with these lights. Ultravision Lighting are an Australian lighting manufacturer. I've been to their factory in Swan Hill down in Victoria, and they custom make all of the lights to suit their requirements and their designs. Now, the lights that are fitted in this kit actually have what they call their wider lens. This is a lens that gives them really good peripheral view out to the side of the vehicle, but then the light also has lenses in it that give you a beautiful distance. These are a quality light and they're going to serve you for years. They come with an excellent 5-year warranty, so you're guaranteed to be supported by a local Australian manufacturer. So if you'd really like to check out that sort of solution, well, head on over to the Ultravision website. They're going to be able to help you out. I'm Mad Matt. Stay safe on the trails.